Hey guys, today let's learn how to record phone calls on your iPhone. So if you guys would like to go ahead and record your phone calls over on your iPhone, in this video tutorial I'm going to teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. So is it actually possible to do this? Well, on newer iPhones, notably the iPhone 13, it is actually possible to do so. Over onto the control centers, you can actually go ahead and enable the record button on your iPhone screens. And then from there, you could actually proceed with enabling the record microphone on so that you could record your phone call. Now, this is not to only be applied on the iPhone 13. It is basically available on every iPhone that has this feature. So you can actually go ahead and enable this recording option and choose your phone app as soon as the call is commencing, and turn on the microphone so that of course your voice would be heard and also the voice of the other person. Now you also need to make sure that you have your speakerphone or the speaker mode turned on while you are making the call so that of course everyone may be heard in the recording. Now that is how you guys could easily record phone calls on your own iPhone. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.